Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars, go to Manage Contacts, Import Export Contacts, Import, and from here you want to select where you want to import contacts from. Now I'll be selecting obviously SIM card. Once you do select it, it shows you all the contacts in that location. So on my SIM card, those are all the contacts there, and I can quickly select all of them from here. If I don't want some of those contacts, I can deselect those. There, click on Done. It gives you an option where you can import the contacts to. Now I do only have one option here, but as an example, if I did log into Google account, it would show up as an option right here as well. So from there, select where you want to import them to, click on Import, and there we go. And that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.